I work at Maiden, and I'm bravely coming forward to tell you that my pans look like this. But not for long. Today I'm going to teach you how to restore a stainless clad pan. You're going to start with the usual suspects, a little hot water and dish soap. Give it a rinse and then go in with a stainless steel cleaner on the damp metal. You don't want anything too abrasive here, so a standard sponge is fine. And then you basically just keep going. When you're happy with how everything's looking, give it one more round of soap and water. Now my pan's looking almost as good as new. I know I could have gone a little harder on the rivets, but I was worried that if I did too good a job, you guys wouldn't believe me.